Winky D might have to abandon the Harare International Conference Center (HICC), the home ground for his annual shutdown, after the venue was given to another artist, despite him booking it first as early as May. Sambera mashoko anoonekwa kunzi aiwa mukomana anozikamwa nekuimba music zvine mukurumbira nyika yeZimbabwe osapotejiwa nevakomana vari aligned to the ruling party. Nokuti subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa muchinjiredzo mudanyira chete the gaffer has used the HICC every New Year's Eve for the last 4 years, but has this year been sabotaged by Gateway Stream Media and the ZanuPF business mogul, source told the New Zimbabwe. The HICC is reportedly been booked by gospel musician Everton Mlalazi, who has strong links with Mr. Emerson Mnangagwa and his ally Kudakwashe Tagwirei. Winky D, through his lawyer Jeremiah Babu, said he had secured the venue as early as May 2024, but unfortunately, Gateway Stream gave it to the ZanuPF mogul to host their event on the same day. Our client has issued the following statements regarding the Winky D crossover show on 31st of December 2024. Winky D remains enthusiastic about delivering an exceptional crossover performance at HICC on December 31, 2024, a venue his fans are very familiar with. His management team secured the venue as early as May 2024 and made all necessary arrangements for the show. Toma shoko anobuda chitoko panapa zvamuziva kuti aiwa the gaffer dzimwe nguva kana akachaja aiwa anomboimba aiwa achiuya achitsondora kana kutsoma vakomana vethe regime. Panapa nhau yava kushamisa vanhu kana yava kutyisa. They are not sure kuti achabudirira here pashow yake panoonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana aiwa vari aligned vanana Tagwirei vanouya vachiuya vachida kumusaboteja kana kumutorera the venue. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.